The trackless V-Plow is very simple to hook up. Lower the lift latch levers so that the jaws are locked in the open position. Carefully drive the tractor into the push frame. Close and lock the lift latches. Carefully lower the lift cylinders. Install pins and linch pins. Inspect the cutting edges. Make sure the front nose piece is in contact with the ground. The back of the V-Plow is adjusted by raising or lowering the skid shoes. The V-Plow is raised or lowered with the forward-facing lever closest to the seat. Always plow in the float position. And remember, always plow in low range with the seatbelt fastened. For safety reasons, we recommend you plow at speeds less than 7 miles per hour.